Alright, hey everybody, Glen Railfanning here. I'm here with Bernie Wedeen once again. And we're railfanning at the Borrow Hall station this time. Let's go here, right behind the trash can. Bernie, did you start your video yet?
No, but where should I put my gourd?
Put it right there.
In the trash.
No, put it right next to the trash. Oh come on, when are they coming down? Start the video. Alright, so Bernie Wedeen will start his video at this point. So I'll have to reintroduce myself. I hear a whistle.
So introduce me.
So Bernie Wedeen and I are here railfanning.
Introduce yourself.
The Glen Rock Railfan. And here it comes. Bernie pointed at the tracks. Oh my god, look at those idiots. My god.
It's illegal, right?
Yeah, trains have the right of way. Now back to the trains. Remember to wave. It's always the nice thing and polite thing to do. No, just wave. There you go. Alright, so here's the train. Ugh! Get out of my face. We're on the move to reduce smog. Well, trains are green. Oh, the doors are closing. Should leave. Still recording? Point up. Here, let me help you. Oh, the conductor might be on one of these doors. Wave to him. It's polite. Oh, thanks. Man, that was cool. Oh, they did the rear end horn. Alright, and thank you for watching this Glen Rock Railfan video, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.